Hello friends. It's me, your crunchy friend, Chips. I know I taste super yummy and crispy. You love my salty crunch, right? But listen carefully. I have a little secret. I have lots of salt and oil inside me. If you eat me every day, I might not help your body grow strong and healthy. I don't have the vitamins that fruits and vegetables have. So please don't eat me all the time. Enjoy me sometimes as a small treat, but choose healthy snacks most days. That way, you'll stay strong, happy, and full of energy.